Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristen. On my channel, I do tons of DIYs, decorating, and hauls. And in today's video, I am DIYing some Valentine's Day decor. You guys really requested this video. You left comments asking when it was coming. Some of you even slid into my Instagram DMs and requested this, so that is what I'm bringing you today. I think I have, 4 DIYs, all out of Dollar Tree supplies, and they look chic. They don't look cheap. They don't look like dollar store DIYs, and those are the kind of DIYs that I love to make here on this channel. So before I jump into it, whenever I do DIYs and I'm showing my hands, I always get questions about my nail polish and the jewelry that I'm wearing. So in today's video, I'm wearing Russian Navy, I believe, by OPI. It is a dark navy blue. And my jewelry is from the Peach Box. I've talked about them here on my channel before. They actually sent me 2 new pieces, and I specifically asked for this bracelet here, this pearl cuff, because you guys have asked numerous times about the gold pearl cuff that I wear in other videos. So the Peach Box does have one, and it's so beautiful, and they're having some sales for February for Valentine's Day. So this watch is also from them. It is Mark Bale, and it actually comes with a silver band, but I have the black one on it right now. I'll leave these linked in the description box below, along with the information on the sales in case you want to ask for these or gift them to somebody special. So now that I have all of that out of the way, let's jump into the DIYs. For this first DIY, we're going to be making this really cute clothespin wreath. I got the inspiration from Pinterest. Here is the pin, and I will link below the original blog post below. So to start off, I am just spraying this wreath and 2 packs of clothespins from Dollar Tree with some white spray paint. I'm making mine all white, as you can see, but you could certainly use color. So once my clothespins and my wreath dried, I brought them inside. I did spray paint both sides of the clothespins and the wreath. I didn't do a completely opaque coat of paint though on them. I wanted more of kind of a distressed look, but you can spray them however you want. And I did use almost 2 full packs of clothespins from Dollar Tree, so you will definitely need 2, and just clip them all the way around until your entire wreath is full of the clothespins. Next, I'm just embellishing it with a bow. This ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I will leave a tutorial on my bows in the description box below. And then I'm going to use just some foam stickers, also from Dollar Tree, to put around the wreath for a festive touch, and I love the finished product. My next DIY is this gorgeous vase with a heart doily, and the inspiration is also from Pinterest. I will link below the original post. You're going to start off with a doily from the Dollar Tree and a vase and a page from a book. This book is from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to fold it in half and cut a heart out, kind of like old school style. And once I've done that, I'm going to tape it down to the doily. The doily was a little bit too big for my vase, so I did decide to trim the doily down. Next, I'm just taping down the hearts, and then for a decorative touch, I'm going to tie some twine around the vase. I kind of like the rustic look of that, and I'm just going to fill mine with some fresh flowers and eucalyptus. You can use whatever you have on hand, and this would make a really awesome gift if you are giving flowers to anybody for Valentine's Day. My next DIY is this jute heart coaster. I got the inspiration from Pinterest once again. And to start off with this project, you are just going to cut out a heart on a scrap piece of paper or cardboard. And once you have your heart cut out, you're going to take a placemat. This one is from Dollar Tree. And I am just tracing the heart with a marker onto my placemat. Once I have it traced on there, I am just going to use some scissors and cut the heart out of the placemat. And then I'm going to take this rope, which came also from Dollar Tree, but you can get that at any craft store. And I'm going to start gluing this rope around the edges of the heart and just work my way around the edges. Once I'm done with the outermost edge, I will work my way towards the inside, as you see here. Once you get close to the center, you may have to kind of squish your rope in there. You'll see me do that in a second, but it should fit. And if it doesn't, you can kind of cut little bits and pieces from your rope and just kind of tuck them in there. I had to end up doing that off camera, but it all worked out in the end. And these are really cute to, gift out as well. And you can make a set of them. You should be able to probably make 2 coasters of this size from 1 pack of that rope. And since we did it on the placemat, they should be waterproof and you can feel safe to use them on your wood tables or whatever surfaces you want to protect. And my last Dollar Tree DIY is that banner you see in the background. I made this last year and it is so super simple. You are just kind of stringing some doilies onto a piece of twine, and the pink doilies are actually white on the back, so you don't have to get both the white and the pink doilies, but I did, and it's just the cutest little banner. It's super easy and festive, and I love the delicate feminine look. Of my Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs. I feel like some of them are pretty much no-brainers, like this and the vase. Just really simple things you can do super affordably. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. I will have a Valentine's Day home decor tour coming soon. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye guys.